In this training, we'll go through the proper way to decant and pack multiple products for a complete tote. What is your first step? Well done! If you remember in your last module, your trailer case only had a quantity of 1. Notice the screen? This case has a quantity of 6. Go ahead and open the case. Make sure to grab your safety gloves. Confirm that the items in the box are in good shape, match the product description, and contain the correct quantity shown. This case looks good. Now you can grab the products and start packing them into the empty tote on your left. As you pack your tote, do your best to keep the items neatly stacked. Well done! Now that all 6 items have been added to the tote, do you remember what to do next? Perfect! Before you start on the next case, what should you do with the empty one? Your next case has arrived. Go ahead and scan the TCL and open the case. Whoa, careful now. Remember to always cut away from your body. You have the option of starting a new tote, but before you do, take a look at the tote you just loaded. One of the most important skills you can learn is proper tote utilization. Notice, this tote has 6 items, but the total tote utilization is less than 70%. This means the tote is underutilized. That is not a good thing. You want to pack the tote until we have used at least 70% of the tote. To do that, let's go ahead and pack those 8 new items in this tote. Very nice. Now that tote is fully utilized. To complete the tote, touch Close Tote on the screen. When you press Close, the tote gets sent away. Now you can clean up your empty case.